Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all today? Let me ask you, do you know what's kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Whenever something moves, it has kinetic energy. Let's look at a very exciting example, the roller coaster.
Have any of you ever ridden a roller coaster before? The roller coaster is a real-life example of kinetic energy, the energy of motion. As the roller coaster moves along the track, especially when it's speeding down, its kinetic energy increases. You see, kinetic energy depends on two things, mass and speed. The heavier the roller coaster, and the faster it moves, the greater the kinetic energy it has.
Another example of kinetic energy is swing.
Why do I feel so much energy when I swing high?
Oh, that's kinetic energy. When you're in motion, you have kinetic energy.
Let's see the application of kinetic energy in bowling.
At the start, when the bowler holds the ball is at rest. Since it's not moving, it has no kinetic energy. But when the bowler releases the ball and it starts to roll down the lane, the ball gains kinetic energy. The heavier the ball, the more kinetic energy it has.
Okay, can anyone share about what have you learned today?
As the conclusion, there's a lot of energy around us. And one type of energy is kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion.
Good job, Alex. I hope all of you can understand the basic concept of kinetic energy and the application in real life. Thank you for learning with me today. Thank you for watching. Please give us feedback through this form.
In the park, we swing so high. Kinetic energy, we touch the sky. Moving fast, we feel